Hi, this is me, Anshu. So let us learn here about oceanic currents, whichever are the warm current and whatsoever are the cold current. I'll explain. So first of all, let me draw the warm current. So warm current is my Norwegian current here, Gulf Stream, Brazilian current, Agulhas current. This is Mozambique current. Here East Australian current, Kuroshio current, and then here Alaska current. So can I omit this? Here Alaska current, here Norwegian current coming down. This side what is? No, it is not present this side. This side Brazilian current. Here it is Agulhas current and Mozambique current. This side Eastern Australian current and this side Kuroshio current. And something is missing, Gulf Stream current. So this warm current, just see the location once. This side, this side, this side, and this side, and in upward going this side, and this side. It is coming downward, Norwegian current. So first of all, draw this once again and keep remember in mind where it was drawn. It was this side, this side, this side, going upward Kuroshio. Here Gulf Stream again going upward. This was going upward, Norwegian current. This is Alaska, and here it was Brazilian current. So that's all. I think we remember. Now let's go for cold current. Cold current is this one, California. This side, yes, this side, Peru. Here Labrador current is coming downward, and Gulf Stream was going upward. That was warm current. So keep remember here East Greenland current, Canary current, Benguela current, and then Western Australia current, Oyasio current. Once again, keep remember whichsoever is coming downward and which is going upward, like this. So here California current, I think here Peru current. This one is Benguela current going upward, and it is coming downward, Canary current. This side is Greenland current. Here it is Labrador current, and then Oyasio current here, then Western Australia current. So this all are the cold current. Now keep remember, East Greenland, Labrador, California. This is Peru. This is Benguela current. This is Canary current. This is Western Australian current. Here it is Oyasio current. So this all is representing what? Cold current. Now let me draw warm current in the same. So our warm current was going downward here. Agulhas current, then Mozambique current, then here Eastern Australia current, Kuroshio current here. This is Norwegian current. This is Gulf Stream. Here Alaska current, and something is remaining. No. So Alaska, Gulf Stream, Norwegian, Agulhas. Okay, fine. This is missing something. Brazilian current. Fifth. 6 Mozambique. 7 we have Kuroshio, and eighth is Eastern Australia. So there's all eight we have studied. Warm current, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 is what? Cold current. So this one is California current, California, Peru. This is Labrador. This is Eastern Greenland. This one is Canary current. This one is Venezuela current. Here it is Western Australia current. Fine. 4 and then 5 and then 6 and then 7 and then going to be 8 Oyasio current. So this 8 we have cold current. Let's go for the final revision. So let's get ready to learn about all the 16 currents. Here I think let me draw first. This is Peru current. This is Venezuela current, Canary current, Labrador current, Eastern Greenland current, then Western Australia current, Oyasio current. So these all were locations. Here California current. Yes, this is 8. Now let me draw. This one is Brazilian current coming downward. Agulhas current, Mozambique current, Eastern Australia current. This is going this side, Kuroshio current, Gulf Stream going there. Alaska current is like this. Norwegian current is going upward. Anything remaining? 3. Yeah, it's fine. So we have learned successfully about all the 8 and 8 cold and warm current. So this one is Labrador, this is Gulf Stream, East Greenland and Norwegian. Here it is Canary current, this one is Benguela current, this one is Agulhas and Mozambique, here Western Australia and Eastern Australia. This is Kuroshio and this is Oyashio. This one is Peru and this one is Brazilian, this one is California, this one is Alaska. So I think properly we have learnt.